guys, welcome back. So thanks for watching the little montage. This was a little montage of the Jastek 5-in-1 multi-charging cable. So you've seen this cable, or at least you've seen a cable that looks like this on my channel before. However, this is the new and improved version of it. Remember I said that it needs to be a little longer? They fixed it. So basically from this cable, from the first version I had, I would say it's better, definitely better. I see as they made it more longer, it actually holds better functionality. I actually see me using this to charge my phone on the wall a little more than the previous one. I really do like that it has the 5-in-1 connectors. Definitely that helps a lot. And yeah, so if you like more detail, I'll put in the link in the description so you can go check it out on Amazon. Also, thanks for watching. To the next one, guys. Have a good day.